Hi everyone, here we've got LG G8X ThinQ, and let me show you how to change video resolution on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply open the camera app, and now let's tap on this settings icon. Now let's tap on this camera icon, and as you can see here we've got the list of available video resolution which we can use. So let's tap on the one you want to use, for example this one. And as you can see, it is immediately changed, so it means that you will record videos in the chosen quality. So that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your LG G8X ThinQ. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.